everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Vechain. Very important and urgent update of the Vechain, so keep watch this video till the end friends. Especially this video is very important for all Vechain holders friends. So and also subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video friends. If you look at the current price of the Vechain in the market, so the currently at this time price of the Vechain, you can see here now on the screen, 0.11704 USD dollar is the current price of the Vechain. On the other side, as you know, if you are a holder, so the from last 1 week the price is going down of the Vechain friends. From the previous last 1 week the price is going down day by day, hour by hour, and they have no idea to take a jump. You can see here last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is also negative. So absolutely a lot of people also ask me question about the Vechain, that when will they again start jump. So let's see when they start jump. Oh my goodness, absolutely, you can see here now if you look the last 2 hour price chart of the Vechain. So yes, you can see here I think they gradually start moving upwards. So now it's a jumping time of the Vechain, but they slowly start jumping. So that is not a quick jump occurs in the Vechain, that is the gradually start moving up friends. I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time and they will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. Anyways, as I told you in the start of this video that the previous changes occur in the Vechain is not good. That is why the price changes is still negative. You can see here negative 17.78% price changes occurs in the last 1 day, and the highest price of the Vechain is 0.135865 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain in the last 1 day, in the last 24 hours period. So friends, personally I recommend for everyone in this time, this is my personal suggestion, that I think as you can see now on the chart that the Vechain gradually start moving upwards. So I think it's a profit time, it's a holding time friends. I suggest for everyone to it's a holding time, and I hope if you decide to sell Vechain at this time, so as you know, as I show you that the previous last 1 week price change is negative, so you are in the loss friends. And on the other side, if you decide to hold Vechain, so maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump in the future friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.